In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. When the sky is ruptured, and hearkens to its Lord, as it must, and when the earth is leveled out, and casts out what is in it, and becomes empty, and hearkens to its Lord, as it must. O man, you are laboring towards your Lord, and you will meet him. As for him who is given his book in his right hand, he will have an easy settlement, and will return to his family delighted. But as for him who is given his book behind his back, he will call for death, and will enter the blaze. He used to be happy among his family. He thought he would never return. In fact, his Lord was watching him. I swear by the twilight, and by the night, and what it covers, and by the moon, as it grows full. You will mount stage by stage. What is the matter with them that they do not believe? And when the Quran is read to them, they do not bow down. In fact, those who disbelieve are in denial. But Allah knows what they hide inside. So inform them of a painful punishment. Except those who believe and do good deeds, they will have an undiminished reward. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. By the sky with the constellations, and by the promised day, and by the witness and the witnessed. Destroyed were the people of the trench, the fire supplied with fuel, while they sat around it, and were witnessing what they did to the believers. They begrudged them only because they believed in Allah the Almighty, the Praiseworthy, to whom belongs the sovereignty of the heavens and the earth. Allah is witness over everything. Those who tempt the believers, men and women, then do not repent, for them is the punishment of hell, for them is the punishment of burning. Those who believe and do righteous deeds will have gardens beneath which rivers flow. That is the great triumph. The onslaught of your Lord is severe. It is He who begins and repeats. And He is the forgiving, the loving, possessor of the glorious throne, doer of whatever He wills. Has there come to you the story of the legions of Pharaoh and Thamud? In fact, those who disbelieve are in denial, and Allah encloses them from beyond. In fact, it is a glorious Quran, in a preserved tablet. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. By the sky and At-Tariq. But what will let you know what At-Tariq is? The piercing star. There is no soul without a protector over it. Let man consider what he was created from. He was created from gushing liquid, issuing from between the backbone and the breastbones. He is certainly able to return him. On the day when the secrets are disclosed, he will have no strength, and no supporter. By the sky that returns, and the earth that cracks open. It is a decisive word. It is no joke. They plot and scheme. But I plot and scheme. Therefore, give the blasphemers respite, a brief respite. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. Praise the name of your Lord, the Most High. He who creates and regulates. He who measures and guides. He who produces the pasture, and then turns it into light debris. We will make you read, so do not forget. Except what Allah wills. He knows what is declared, and what is hidden. We will ease you into the easy way. So remind, if reminding helps. The reverent will remember, but the wretched will avoid it. He who will enter the gigantic fire, where he will neither die, nor live. Successful is he who purifies himself, and mentions the name of his Lord, and prays. But you prefer the present life, though the hereafter is better, and more lasting. This is in the former scriptures, the scriptures of Abraham and Moses.